Dust might be the silent enemy in your workshop, but the right filtration system can stop it in its tracks. Today, we're breaking down the best shop air filtration systems that keep your workspace cleaner, safer, and far more efficient. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or tackling long projects, these units can dramatically improve air quality and reduce airborne particles. All product links are in the description below. Check them out anytime. Let's get into it. WEN 3410 Remote-Controlled Air Filtration System. Cleaner workshop air becomes effortless with a filtration unit engineered to remove fine airborne dust while staying remarkably quiet. Designed with a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter, it captures harmful particulates before they reach your lungs. Users appreciate its strong airflow options of 300, 350, and 400 CFM, allowing efficient circulation in rooms up to 400 square feet. The noise level stays between 50 to 60 decibels, making it suitable for long work sessions without disturbance. Build quality stands out, featuring a sturdy housing, dependable 1/6 horsepower motor, and a lightweight 31-pound frame enhanced with carrying handles and mounting eye bolts. The remote control works from up to 26 feet away and functions reliably even without direct line of sight thanks to its RF system. A programmable timer adds convenience by shutting the system off automatically after a set duration. Customers consistently highlight its quiet performance, strong dust-removing ability, and excellent value for the price. Many find that air clarity improves noticeably within minutes of operation. Its filters are easy to replace and maintenance remains simple. Overall, the system earns praise for reliability, ease of use, and its ability to significantly improve workshop air quality. DEWALT DWXAF101 Air Filtration System. Improving workshop air hygiene becomes more effective with a compact hanging filtration system built for fine dust control. A 2-stage system combines a static cotton pre-filter with an H11 HEPA filter, capturing over 95% of 0.3 micron particles, ideal for woodworking, sanding, and general shop environments. Users appreciate its 4 operating modes, including HI, MID, LO, and AUTO, the last of which senses air quality and adjusts performance automatically. Its build quality reflects DEWALT's rugged standards, constructed with durable metal housing designed for long-term shop use. The unit weighs just 20.9 pounds, making sealing installation easy with the included hooks and chains. Timer options for 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours add hands-free convenience, while a flip handle ensures simple relocation when needed. User impressions are positive regarding filtration performance, quiet operation, and value for money. Many mention that it clears dust quickly and runs smoothly without producing excessive noise. However, opinions about the remote control vary, with some users experiencing a need for direct line-of-sight operation. Even so, customers appreciate its overall quality, ease of setup, and ability to maintain a cleaner workspace. ALORAIR 360-degree intake air filtration system. High-capacity dust extraction becomes more efficient with a filtration system designed for complete 360-degree air intake. This wide coverage design helps pull air evenly from all directions, making it highly effective in workshops up to 1,700 square feet. Its strong vortex fan maintains stable airflow even when filters accumulate debris, and 2 selectable speeds ensure flexibility for light or heavy dust environments. Noise output ranges from 60 to 69 decibels. The system incorporates a built-in ionizer that oxidizes pollutants and odors, providing fresher and cleaner air. A MERV 11 filtration setup traps 90% of 3 to 10 micron particles and 85% of 1 micron particles, ideal for woodworking, grinding, and sanding. Installation is simple with included hooks and chains, and the sturdy 27-pound housing feels durable and well-built. User impressions often highlight its strong airflow, noticeable improvement in air clarity, and effective dust control. Several reviewers appreciate how quickly it cleans a room and comment on the convenience of the timer and remote system. Opinions on noise vary. Some consider it moderate, while others find it louder than expected. Overall, customers view it as a solid performer, offering great coverage and filtration efficiency. ABESTORM 1350 IG Air Filtration System. Large workshops benefit from a high-powered air filtration design that combines 360-degree intake with ionizing technology for enhanced purification. The integrated ionizer releases positive and negative ions to help neutralize particles, odors, and fine dust, improving air quality beyond standard filtration. Its airflow capacity ranges from 1,050 to 1,350 CFM, making it suited for rooms up to 1,700 square feet. Construction quality is notable, featuring a durable frame and a compact 27-pound footprint that mounts easily using the included hardware. The system arrives with 4 MRV11 filters that are replaceable and simple to clean, ensuring long-term performance. Users can operate the unit via the touch panel or a remote that functions up to 27 feet away. A noise level of 60 to 69 decibels. A remains reasonable given the power. Customers respond positively to its strong airflow, excellent filtration, and quick ability to clear dust in medium to large shops. Many mention its effective dust capture during woodworking, turning, and sanding tasks. Installation is frequently described as straightforward, and owners appreciate the automatic shutoff feature. A few note that the system can be slightly loud, but they generally consider it a worthwhile trade-off for the airflow output. ALORAIR 360-degree intake air filtration system. Workshops that require broad air circulation benefit from a filtration system engineered with full 360-degree intake for comprehensive dust removal. Its circulating airflow covers areas up to 1,700 square feet, making it suitable for woodworking spaces, garages, and sanding environments. A strong vortex fan maintains pressure even when filters begin to clog, ensuring consistent suction and effective airborne particle capture. The system uses a MERV11 filter capable of stopping 90% of 3 to 10 micron particles and 85% of 1 micron particles, providing reliable filtration for everyday shop dust. A timer cycle controller allows automatic shutoff between 1 and 9 hours, while the IR remote system offers excellent anti-interference performance. Build quality is robust, with a 20.5-inch square frame and a manageable 27-pound weight for ceiling or bench installation. User experiences highlight strong dust collection and dependable construction. Many customers appreciate its ability to move and filter a large volume of air quickly, improving visibility and reducing airborne irritants. Some find the noise level acceptable, while others consider it slightly loud. Overall, users consider it a good value for its coverage, airflow strength, and filtration efficiency. ABESTORM 270 degrees intake air filtration system. Shops that need compact yet efficient dust filtration benefit from a 3-sided intake design that maximizes airflow across 270 degrees. This configuration enhances dust capture in smaller and medium-sized environments up to 800 square feet. Airflow performance ranges from 580 to 780 CFM, supported by ionization technology that electrically charges particles, helping them clump together for easier filtration and reduced clogging. This mechanism extends filter life while lowering fan strain and noise levels, which stay under 50 decibels A. Build quality is impressive for its compact 18-inch housing, weighing just over 24 pounds. The system includes 3 MERV11 filters that slide out for quick replacement and maintenance every 4 to 6 months. Both touch panel operation and a 26-foot remote offer convenient control. Installation is flexible with included chains and mounting hardware. Customers consistently praise its quiet operation, strong airflow for its size, and reliable dust collection. Several mention that it removes airborne particles effectively and is simple to hang or wall mount. The filtration quality, ease of use, and overall value stand out as major positives, making it a strong option for smaller workshops seeking efficient performance. PURISYSTEMS 3-speed air filtration system. Dust-heavy workspaces benefit from a 3-stage filtration design that includes an outer filter for larger debris, an inner filter for fine particles, and a built-in ionizer that enhances purification by releasing millions of positive and negative ions per second. With airflow options of 650, 850, and 1,100 cubic feet per minute, it handles rooms up to 1,100 square feet while maintaining steady circulation. Timer settings ranging from 1 to 12 hours allow fully automated operation. Build quality is solid, featuring a 33-pound frame with sturdy handles and rubber feet for benchtop or mounted use. The RF remote operates from any angle up to 26 feet away, and the CETL certification provides reassurance regarding safety and performance. Noise levels reach about 66 decibels, suitable for most workshop environments. User impressions vary, but generally point to strong purification, easy installation, and significant dust removal. Many customers appreciate its power and filtration capability, though some note mixed experiences with the remote control's reliability. A few mention durability concerns, but most agree it delivers good air cleaning performance and improves workshop conditions when running consistently. Thanks for watching. If any of these shop air filtration systems caught your eye, you'll find the links in the description below. Clean air means safer projects and a better workspace, so choose what fits your setup.